Yes, she Hilda it. A new word have obviously been added to the lexicon of most Nigerians all over the world, not just Nigerians but Africa. That is Hilda. It's more like when you want to say I have done it, you say Hilda did. But I was just kidding. Over the weekend, the news of Hilda Baci, the chef who attempted to break the world record, has just been flying around. I am sure you must have heard it. So for me, quickly, some of the key lessons I learned from the experience of Hilda was, first of all, the clarity of vision. Now, Hilda obviously knew what she wanted to achieve 5 years ago, and she set a goal, and the goal was clearly defined. Not just did she have the clarity of what she wanted to achieve, she was able to take statistics. Okay, how many hours did the person who previously did this hit? What am I going to do? What is it going to take me? And guys, the second thing is a place of preparation. Yes, it took her 5 years to prepare. Now, if you check, Hilda was initially fatter than she was. She had to put herself on the regiment of exercise. She had to, I know she must have been practicing cooking and all that. So she had to prepare for that vision she wanted to accomplish. Another thing that struck me about Hilda is a place of passion. Guys, self-awareness is key. You need to know that thing that is your strength and play to your strength. And it's not just enough to be passionate. You should go ahead and develop skills in that area you are passionate about. Build the requisite skill. She did not just say, oh, I love cooking. But I know she must have paid the price to go into learning different culinary skills and different dishes. She prepared over 50 Nigerian dishes within those 4 days. Guys, another thing I also talk about is that there's always a price to pay. Success does not come overnight. There is always a price to pay. So what price are you paying towards that vision that God has laid in your heart? So I'll talk about, in camp, I'll say self-awareness, know your passion, know your strength, and build on it. Secondly, have a clarity of vision. What is that vision you want to achieve? And then go ahead and break it down into tiny milestones, the hours, the days, the things you have to do. And then go ahead and prepare. And most importantly, you need people. You need the right people. Share your vision with the right people who would help you succeed. And don't just keep it to yourself. Mobilize the right people. I know there'll be wrong people, but then the right people will always gravitate towards you. And then go ahead and take action. Pay that price for that big goal you want to achieve. These are some of the lessons I've learned from Hilda. So go ahead and Hilda your vision. Go ahead and Hilda those goals and those desires God has placed in your heart. I am rooting for you. My name remains Mark, and it is M to the A to the C to the A to the double NE. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much, NTA. Thank you so much, Atewardiam. Have a wonderful day on Gist Zone. Bye bye.